Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm John, and today we're carrying big stuff on the Trail 125. Alright, so this is part of the reason why I got this bike, is because I often ride back and forth to our race car shop, which is at my parents' house, just about a half mile away from my house, and I often bring race car parts back and forth. And today we are ferrying a 2016 Dodge Charger Borla exhaust system. This is a 64-pound box and really obviously big. So all I did is just throw it on the trail, on the rack, bungee strap it down, and headed down the street. So that's basically what we're doing, just showing the capability of what this trail can do and what it can carry, which is pretty amazing actually. This is I've done this a couple times already and figured this box would be one of those over-the-top kind of absurd things to carry, so that's why I wanted to highlight it. So check it out. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed my little challenge there, how much stuff I can carry on the Trail 125. This is something that's fun for me to do. It's a little bit of a laugh for me, because I only go on about an 1/8 mile of public road to do it, so I can get away with a lot of this stuff. I don't hold a candle to anybody in Asia that's carrying 4 people or, you know, big old chicken coops and stuff like that on it. So I do what I can with my race car parts and stuff like that. So I have fun with it. So I hope you guys had fun watching it. And maybe this is a little bit of a challenge to y'all out there that have Trail 125s or are going to get Trail 125s. Let's see how much stuff you guys can carry. Do it safely though. Like I said, I don't touch a public road for just a little bit. So I often forego my helmet, which is not a legal requirement here in Florida anyways. So if you wanted to bust me on that, sorry to bust your bubble, but don't need the helmet. But it is always advisable to wear a helmet, of course, so be sure to always wear your helmet. And I do want to say that the rack is only it's only spec'd out for like 44 pounds. There's a big sticker on it that says don't carry more than 44 pounds on it. So this is under my discretion, and I know it's not along with the guidelines of Honda Motor Corp, so it's not something that you're gonna want to do normally, so I just do it for fun. Anyways, I hope you guys thought it was funny. Hope you thought it was fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.